so it's not quite uncommon for people to feel anxiety or fear when faced with the words root canal. In fact, I was surprised by this. More than half of Americans, according to one study, would actually choose a colonoscopy over a root canal procedure, but it is finally time to put the myth that root canals can be painful to rest. We are joined by Dr. Hisham Rifaey. He is here in the studio to tell us more about oral health and a new technology that's actually revolutionizing getting a root canal, right?
Yes, yeah. So thank you for having me, Natasha. So this is such an important talk because there's so many misconceptions out there about root canals that put so much fear and anxiety into people that they're often putting off dental work that they need. So one way at our office, Associates in Endodontics, where we specialize only in root canal treatment, one way we mitigate this is by using the GentleWave procedure, which is a less invasive, less painful way to treat the root canal.
Okay, and root canals fairly common, right? It's something that people deal with.
Yeah, so about 15 million root canals are done every year, but again, so much misconceptions and myths out there about them that people are often putting them off. So that's why it's so important we dispel those myths and talk about new technology that, again, is making it less painful.
Okay, so let's talk about this new technology in more detail. What can people expect and what's different about it that makes it easier for patients?
Yeah, so overall, the goal of doing any root canal is to kind of get rid of the infected or inflamed tissue inside the root canal system, and simultaneously while doing this we're removing any bacteria inside of the root canal. So the GentleWave procedure uses multisonic technology to kind of get into those hardest to reach areas inside the root canal in a less invasive way. We're taking away less tooth structure to do so. These are areas where even my smallest traditional instruments can't get into. And this all leads to less pain postoperatively and faster healing as well. So the big thing and the thing that patients love the most is gone are the days of routine 2-3 appointment root canals, and most things can be done in one appointment. In fact, 92% of GentleWave procedures are just done in one session.
Wow, I mean, that's a big difference, especially for people who might not already love the dentist. Having to come one time versus 3 to 4 is a big deal.
Exactly.
Any downtime changes? Is it less with this type of procedure than normal root canals?
It runs about the same. Sometimes maybe it can be a little bit more efficient to do it, but the thing that I constantly am hearing in the office is that patients are so surprised about how efficient and easy the root canal procedure was. Oftentimes when I tell them that we're all done, they're surprised because they walked in with that expectation of pain, discomfort. So we're trying to kind of reverse that expectation one root canal at a time. In fact, over 1 million GentleWave procedures have been done to date, which is just a testament to how we can make this a painful process.
So what would you say?
A less painful process.
Yes.
Sorry.
So what would you say to people who are afraid of root canals to fight the misconceptions out there?
So one thing is, if you wanted to kind of first take care of your teeth, of course. So one thing that will prevent being able to need a root canal is going to your dentist routinely, getting routine x-rays, routine cleanings to make sure that your teeth are healthy and everything. If you have any pain, whether that's spontaneous pain, temperature pain, biting pain, those are all reasons to see your dentist and not have to worry about anything else.
Okay, so those are the signs for people to look out for. Any pain, discomfort, time to see a professional.
Exactly.
And then can people ask about this new technology if they are interested?
Absolutely. So people can go to www.gentlewave.com to learn more about the technology, and there's even a provider locator on that website to find a provider in your area.
Great.
That offers the technology. Or you can even go to our website, www.aierootcanal.com, to learn more about how our office implements it and to discuss it directly with our office.
That's great. And we have that website on screen, gentlewave.com. Dr. Rifaey, thank you so much for the great info. Hopefully we debunked some myths today.
Thank you so much for having me.
And we'll have more info on our website as well, WTNH.com. We will be right back. Stick with us.